Hi everyone, it's Chilly here from funcraftstodoathome.com, bringing you another quick tutorial in images. And in this tutorial we are going to be making this beautiful little pendant and these matching earrings. I am going to be using this design, which is my own design, and if you want to use the same design, I'm going to be giving this away as a free printable on my website, and my website is www.funcraftstodoathome.com. But of course you don't have to use this design, and you could use one of your own. The earring designs measure approximately 1 centimetre across. They're fractionally smaller than that, but they fit well with the 10mm glass domes. And the pendant designs measure approximately 1.7 centimetres across, but they fit well with the 18mm glass domes. And if you're not sure where to get these things, if you go to my blog, there'll be a link to the blog at the end of this video on the end screen. If you go to my blog, there are links on there to both of my Amazon storefronts where you can find the things I use in my videos. And if you do download this design, you'll need to print it out onto a sheet of 6 by 4 inch glossy photo paper. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, Rainbow Lane, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get regular updates of all my... And let's get started. So we'll start with the things that you're going to need for this project. You're going to need an empty food box, because you're going to need to punch out some cardboard circles. You'll need some silver metallic paint, some clear nail polish, some tacky glue and some clear glue, and you'll need some diamond glaze or something similar. You'll also need some 1.8 centimetre glass domes, and you're going to need some of these tiny 1 centimetre glass domes. You'll need some 20 gauge silver wire, and some earring findings for the stud type earrings. And here are the tools that you will need. You will need a 1 centimetre circular punch and a 1.8 centimetre circular punch, some needle-nosed pliers, some looping pliers, also called jeweller's pliers, and a paintbrush for the glue. To start this project, you need to punch out 3 1.8 centimetre circles from the food box card, and then you need to punch out 6 cardboard circles using the 1 centimetre circle punch. Pour some of the tacky glue into a small container, and now you need to glue the cardboard circles into stacks. You need to use 3 for the pendant and 3 each for the earrings. Make sure they're all even, let them dry, and then this is what they should look like. Then, using the silver metallic paint, very carefully paint around the edges of each stack, so you do the edges and one side. And when they're dry, give the pendant painted side a coat of clear nail polish, or you could give it a couple of coats if you want to. And now for the design. And this one that I'm pointing to here is the one that I've used for this project. First, take your 1.8 centimetre circle punch and very carefully punch out the design. Make sure that there's no white left around the edges. Then do the same thing for the earring designs with the 1 centimetre circle punch. And you just need to stick the designs onto the cardboard stacks with some clear glue. I've used Anita's clear gloss, and this is what they'll look like. And next, using a very small dot of diamond glaze, you need to stick the glass domes onto your pendant and your earrings. You really don't need any more than this that you see here, because otherwise it just squishes out the edges. And then you just very carefully place the glass dome on top of the glue. Make sure you get it in position so it's even around the edges, and then wait for it to dry. And then once you've done that, you just need to stick the earring findings onto the back of the earrings with the clear glue. And then you need to make your bail to go onto your pendant so that you can put some kind of stringing material through. I'm using 20 gauge silver wire, and I'm cutting a piece around about 5 centimeters long, 4 or 5 centimeters. You need to bend it into a loop so that the ends are even, and then you need to use the flat insides of some pliers to kind of squash that loop together to make it more of an acute bend. I've said before, I am no expert in making these bails. I'm just showing you this to give you a rough idea of how to do it. There are loads of experts on YouTube who can show you how to do this professionally, so I would suggest that you do a search for how to make pendant bails, and you'll see lots of videos come up. I'm just quickly showing you here how I make mine. Mine are really still not brilliant. I need loads more practice. But it gives you a rough idea of how to do it. All of the things that I use in my video, they are for sale in my Amazon shop. If you go onto my blog, you will see a link to my Amazon shops, both .com and .co.uk, where you can buy all of the supplies that you see me use in these videos. And you see in a moment, I'll show you how you use the bail. You just stick it to the back of the pendant like this. Okay, I've just used the clear gloss to stick it to the back. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get regular updates of all my new videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye! And bye, pudding pie. Hope you enjoyed watching. See you next time.